today I'm going to be doing one of my favorite garden chores, and that is getting free plants. So these are my snapdragons, and in order to make them branch more, to produce more blooms, we pinch them. So I'm going to be going and pinching all of my snapdragons. I'll show you how many I have down here. But what I'm going to do is on every little seedling, you will see there's a set of leaves here and a set of leaves here, and I'm going to pinch this off, and then at the base of these leaves right here, they will branch out and form two new stalks. More stalks means more blooms. And then I will show you what I do with the little tops to root them and eventually get new plants. So you can see my snapdragons here. And I have several, and this is the little tray I'm going to be putting them in. I think there's only probably 50 or so little cells. So let's get started and you can see how this all works. So one of the fun things as a gardener is opening up a brand new pair of snips for the year. You could use a scissor if you don't have a snips. So what I'm going to do is I'll just hold this and I'm just going to start snipping off a leaf there, a set of leaves there, and I'm just pinching off the top or cutting off the top. And you can see that there. And just at the base of those leaves is where a new bloom stalk will grow. So the next one here, set of leaves there, a set of leaves here. I'm just going to come down and clip that off. This one right here is not as long. And then this one right here. So this little guy, there were two planted in one, and he's kind of small, so I'm just going to leave it be. But there you have it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little seedlings that I harvested from. And I have them here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And as you can see, some of the stems are longer than others. So this is pretty much the perfect size. This one isn't bad. These three are a little long. So I'm just going to go in and snip them down a little bit. And I'll show you why I do that. So you might think this is a tedious job, which it kind of is, but it is cold outside today. 30 degrees. I can't work out in the garden. So now, some people say that to dip this in rooting hormone. I've never found the need for that. I just simply take it, stick it in. And they might look a little sad in a few days, but in time, they will grow roots and there will be a brand new plant. Okay, I'm just going to keep going. There we go. Free snapdragon.